In this video, we will show you how to replace a used pre-rinse unit with a new one. You will need the following items and ancillary products for this. First of all, turn off the water and let the remaining water run out of the tap. Then, disconnect the hoses underneath the sink. Now you can dismantle the upper components step by step. Thoroughly clean the working area with a suitable cleaning agent to remove all soap, grease and limescale residues. Before you start assembling the new pre-rinse unit, it is helpful to arrange the individual components in the correct order. Next, insert the two pillars and make sure that they are firmly fixed to the underside of the sink to ensure a stable structure. Now, assemble the other components step by step. In the last assembly step, reconnect the hoses underneath the sink. Finally, check for leak tightness and retighten if necessary. All items can be found at hardnekkig.eu/en-EU. Spray gun and hoses can also be ordered separately. To receive further service tips and offers, subscribe to our newsletter. In the comments column below this video, you are welcome to leave us your feedback and tell us which topics you are interested in.